Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. So today we kind of have an unboxing video, a different kind of video, but I'm really excited for this unboxing video because I got something from my favorite train. And I know it's not Metro, it's the other one, CN. Look what I got. I got a Prime box. I got a Prime box from CN. Wonder what's in it. And they also left me a note. Oops, that's gonna fall. That frame of the Metro's gonna fall, so let me just fix that. Okay, there we go. Alright, here we go. And it has my address on it, so I'm not gonna give it out. I'm just gonna read everything else besides the address. Dear Samuels and Neich, which is me, Homewood, Illinois. Hello, Sam. I met your dad and stepmother at an event for Homewood School District at their annual fundraiser at Idlewild Country Club a month or so ago. Your dad mentioned that you were a railroad fan. I retired from Canadian National Railroad back in 2018 after a long and very interesting career. Over the years, one of my duties was to handle public affairs events in the United States. I told your dad and stepmother that I had a few CN items left over from my years working for them, and that I would be happy to get some of those items to you since you are so interested in railroads. Yes, I am. I do love railroads. That is a fact. Enjoy the CN stuff. I am enclosing. Remember that railroads move all of the things that the United States economy relies on in order to keep our nation strong. They move large, I don't even know how to pronounce it, quantities of items long distances, safely and economically. The vast majority of companies that operate in the United States rely on railroads to move their materials for them. Yeah, I got that the first time. So that they may be able to stay in business. It is my great pleasure to share these items with you. I only ask that you remain safe at all times when approaching railroad tracks anywhere, and make sure there is no train coming when you cross the tracks. Sincerely, Joe. How do you pronounce his last name? Cavadras? Something like that. Jim Cravadus, Homewood, Illinois. That was the letter. And I know it's going to look backwards and everything, but here's the letter. It always looks backward. I always tell you guys that it always looks backwards. But that's the letter. Alright, let's see what he got me. Look. Look guys, it's a CN hat. I don't know if you guys can see that. I can't see it. I like that just a little more. There it is right there. Hey, that's pretty cool. That's one of the items. This is all his. So, hold on. Even gave me a water bottle with CN on it. Anything inside the water bottle? Nope. Here, let me just lay that back down. And he kind of gave me a box. I don't know what this is. Ooh, this looks so cool. I don't know if, yeah, you guys can see that. Look at that. I love that one. Then there's also this one. No, guys, I have a shaky hand. Sorry. And then here's another one. And then I don't know what this final one is. It's like a picture of some moose and everything. So I don't know what this one is. If you guys know, I think that's just a tanker with some moose. Moose. And there's this really, really big one. Hold on. This thing is huge. What is this? CN, North American Railroad. I really hope I don't drop this. If I drop this, I break it. Sorry. There it is. Alright, here we go. We're opening it. Ooh, this isn't easy. This isn't easy to open. Oh, there we go. That's the best one. I'm gonna have to be careful when I pick this up. Because it's glass, so it's so hard to get out. That's the thing. Okay. Okay, I almost got it. Okay, I just broke something. That is so cool. This is the best one. I'm not gonna cry, but I want to. I'm not a crier, but I want to cry because this is so cool and so beautiful. I will show you guys now. That is the best one. It's emotional, but I'm not gonna cry. I feel really emotional, but I'm not gonna cry. I'm not crying, like I said. Keep you safe. Let's keep you safe. This box is really pickable. Okay, there we go. Give me a minute, guys. It's really emotional, that's all. Jim, if you watch this, I just want to say thank you so much for all of this. Probably the best gift I've ever gotten from anybody, especially from Canadian National, which is actually my favorite freight train. I grew up right next to them. They're right over here. I'm not crying, but I'm tearing up. I'm crying and tearing up on the same thing. But I'm tearing up and starting to tear up. It's so emotional. Compared to this, this is the best right here. Compared to this is the best. This and this over here, the Amtrak one. This is probably not going to become my least favorite, but it's probably going to become like my third favorite picture in my life. No, actually that's my second favorite. That's my favorite. Alright, guys, let me just give you a run-by of how emotional this is. First, I grew up right next to Seattle. That's the first thing. I grew up right next to them. They're right over here, right behind my house. I mean, they're not directly behind my house. They're a few blocks away, but they're right down the road. Know what this calls for? Calls for a celebration. We're gonna play one of my favorite songs. But no, not any copyright songs, okay? No copyright songs, but one of my favorite songs. Let me go get my iPad real quick. Alright, Jim. This song is for you, and it's also for Canadian National. So let's play it. You guys just listen. Put that next to
you. Down the line, rain or shine, traveled both day and night. The sound of the tracks past the hobo shacks, billboards and neon lights. New York to LA, almost every day. Along this country I roam. The cabin sways along the railways, and I always feel right at home. This is more than a train to me. There's no other place I'd rather be. Some people might think it's just metal and chrome, but to me it's a home sweet home. To me it's a home sweet home.
Guys on the next course. You guys know it. It's really, really easy. Just follow my lead. Yes, no, just follow my lead. This isn't the course.
Down the line,
this is the verse.
Rain or shine, traveling both day and night.
I'll let you know.
The sound of the tracks past the hobo shacks, billboards and neon lights. New York to LA, almost every day. Along this country I roam.
I hit 3, you guys do.
The cabin sways along the railways, and I always feel right at home.
Go.
This is more than a train to me. There's no other place I'd rather be. Some people might think it's just metal and chrome, but to me it's a home sweet home.
It's gonna be times 2, so come on,
To
sing it with
me
me, guys.
it's a home sweet home. This is more than a train to me. There's no other place I'd rather be. Some people might think it's just metal and chrome, but to me it's a home sweet home. To me it's a home sweet home. To me it's a home sweet home.
That song was for Canadian National and also for Jim. I'm gonna do one more. And it's probably my favorite one by James Brain Coffee. You guys know this one. You guys should know this one right off the bat.
I look at the clock, it's 4:45. It's been a long day, I can't take any more. I gotta get away, head down the track with a full head of steam and no looking back. I hear the pistons pounding out the beat. I feel the rhythm underneath my feet, and I dream. Oh yeah, I dream.
You guys should know this.
I dream of the legends of the rails. Of the legends of the rails.
Canadian National's The Legend of the Rails.
I've got a tempered temperature of 103. I've got train fever and the one remedy is a steamer, black headed down the line, through the hills and into the pine, traveling along through the countryside. I put my hand on the throttle and I open it wide and I dream. Oh yeah, I dream. I dream of the legends of the rails. Of the legends of the rails. A black silhouette against the moonlight, a whistle echoing into the night, by the rocky hills, through the mountain snow. 100 miles and 100 to go. It's a journey back to a place and time when a hot cup of coffee only cost you a dime. And I dream. Oh yeah, I dream. I dream of the legends of the rails. Of the legends of the rails.
It's a great song. Well, anyway, that's all the time I got. Anyway, thank you, Jim, for so much all of this stuff. I love you. I'm not, nope. I don't want to hear it from the viewers. I want to hear myself saying I love you to a Canadian national engineer. Got it? Okay then. I love you, Jim. I love Canadian National. I love Metro. I love Amtrak. I love myself. I love you guys. I love everything. I love astronomy. I love trains. I love Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked this video, smash the like button, turn on that notification bell, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one later. Love you guys. Peace and bye.